Are you ready to take your embroidery game to the next level without breaking the bank? Whether you're a beginner, eager to explore the world of embroidery, or a seasoned crafter looking for a reliable machine, finding the perfect embroidery machine can be overwhelming. What features should you prioritize? How much should you spend? And most importantly, which machines truly deliver quality and value? Today, we're counting down the 7 best affordable embroidery machines that balance functionality, performance, and cost. Let's dive in. 7. Brother PE535. The Brother PE535 is a compact, entry-level embroidery machine designed for beginners and hobbyists. It features a 4x4-inch embroidery area, which is ideal for smaller projects like monograms, patches, and decorative accents. With 80 built-in designs and 9 fonts, the PE535 offers a decent range of creative options. Its 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen makes navigation and editing straightforward, and the USB port allows users to import custom designs, expanding its versatility. One of the highlights of the PE535 is its ease of use. The automatic needle threader and quick-set bobbin system simplify setup, making it accessible even for those new to embroidery. The machine also includes built-in tutorials, which are particularly helpful for beginners learning the basics. Additionally, its lightweight and compact design make it portable and easy to store. However, the PE535 has some limitations that might deter more experienced users. The 4x4 embroidery field can feel restrictive for larger or more intricate designs, requiring frequent rehooping. Moreover, as an embroidery-only machine, it does not offer sewing capabilities, which means users will need a separate sewing machine for other tasks. Its stitching speed of 400 stitches per minute is also relatively slow compared to higher-end models. Despite these drawbacks, the Brother PE535 delivers reliable performance for its price point. It produces consistent stitching quality and works well on various fabric types. For beginners or hobbyists looking to explore embroidery without a significant investment, this machine provides a solid foundation to build skills. 6. Brother LB5500. The Brother LB5500 is a versatile 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine that combines functionality with creativity. It features 135 built-in embroidery designs, 103 sewing stitches, and 10 lettering fonts, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Its 3.7-inch LCD touchscreen allows users to edit designs directly on screen with ease. The wireless LAN feature is particularly noteworthy, enabling seamless design transfers from a computer without needing a USB drive. One of the machine's strengths is its dual functionality, allowing users to switch between sewing and embroidery tasks effortlessly. The advanced needle threading system and automatic thread cutter enhance convenience during operation. Additionally, the Artspira app provides access to downloadable patterns and tools for creating custom designs on mobile devices, a feature that appeals to tech-savvy crafters. However, like many entry-level machines in this price range, the LB5500 has a limited 4x4-inch embroidery area. This restriction can be frustrating for users working on larger or more complex projects. While the wireless connectivity is innovative, some users might find it less intuitive than traditional USB transfers due to occasional software glitches or setup challenges. Despite these minor shortcomings, the LB5500 stands out for its reliability and versatility. Its sewing capabilities make it an all-in-one solution for crafters who want both functionalities in one machine. The build quality ensures smooth operation across various fabrics, while its speed of up to 710 stitches per minute is sufficient for most home projects. 5. Brother SE700. The Brother SE700 takes versatility up a notch by offering advanced features that cater to both beginners and experienced users alike. This combination sewing and embroidery machine boasts 135 built-in embroidery designs and 103 sewing stitches, providing ample creative options for diverse projects. Its standout feature is the wireless design transfer capability via design database transfer software, eliminating the need for USB drives entirely. The SE700's user-friendly interface includes a bright LCD touchscreen that simplifies design editing and navigation. The automatic needle threader and thread cutter save time during setup and operation. Additionally, this model introduces an improved workspace compared to earlier models in its class, making it easier to handle fabric while working on intricate designs. While the SE700 shares the common limitation of a 4x4-inch embroidery area with other entry-level machines, it compensates with enhanced functionality and precision stitching quality. Some users might still find this size restrictive for larger projects, but appreciate its consistent results on smaller scale work. Another advantage of the SE700 is its robust construction and reliable performance across different fabric types. Whether you're working on lightweight materials or thicker fabrics like denim or canvas, this machine ensures smooth stitching without skipping or jamming issues. Overall, the Brother SE700 delivers excellent value with its combination of modern features and practical design enhancements. While it might not cater perfectly to professional embroiderers due to its smaller hoop size, it remains an outstanding choice for hobbyists or small business owners looking for an affordable yet capable sewing embroidery hybrid machine. Number 4. Brother SE600. The Brother SE600 is a versatile and affordable 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine that has earned its reputation as a favorite among hobbyists. With its 4x4-inch embroidery field, 80 built-in embroidery designs, and 103 sewing stitches, the SE600 is designed to handle a variety of creative projects. Its 3.2-inch color LCD touchscreen allows users to preview and edit designs directly on the machine, making it an intuitive choice for beginners and experienced users alike. The USB port also enables you to import custom designs, expanding your creative possibilities. One of the standout features of the SE600 is its user-friendly design. The automatic needle threader and quick-set drop-in bobbin system simplify setup, saving time and reducing frustration. The machine also includes a free arm, making it easier to sew cylindrical items like sleeves or pant legs. Additionally, its LED-lit workspace ensures visibility even when working on darker fabrics or in low light. While the SE600 is a reliable machine for most home projects, its 4x4-inch embroidery area may feel limiting for larger or more intricate designs. This size restriction often requires rehooping, which can disrupt workflow and increase the chances of misalignment. Moreover, while its stitching speed of up to 710 stitches per minute for sewing is decent, the embroidery speed of 400 stitches per minute might feel slow for more complex patterns. Despite these limitations, the SE600 excels in delivering consistent results across various fabric types. It's particularly well suited for crafting enthusiasts who want an all-in-one solution for both sewing and embroidery without investing in multiple machines. Its ability to handle lightweight fabrics like silk and heavier materials like denim makes it a versatile choice. 3. Brother PE800. The Brother PE800 is a dedicated embroidery machine that offers a significant step up from entry-level models. With its generous 5x7-inch embroidery field, this machine accommodates larger designs without requiring frequent rehooping, a major advantage for those working on tote bags, pillowcases, or other sizable projects. It comes with 138 built-in embroidery designs and 11 fonts, providing plenty of options for customization right out of the box. One of the highlights of the PE800 is its intuitive design editing features. The large color LCD touchscreen allows users to rotate, resize, mirror image, or adjust thread colors directly on screen before stitching. This level of control makes it easier to perfect your designs without additional software. Additionally, the USB port enables you to import custom patterns from external sources like iBroidery.com or Etsy. The PE800 is equipped with advanced features such as an automatic needle threader, thread cutter, and quick-set bobbin system, all designed to streamline operation and reduce setup time. Its stitching speed of 650 stitches per minute ensures efficient progress on most projects without compromising precision or quality. However, as an embroidery-only machine, the PE800 lacks sewing functionality. This specialization might not suit those looking for an all-in-one solution, but ensures that the machine delivers exceptional results in its primary function. Another minor drawback is its size. While compact enough for home use, storing it might be challenging if space is limited. 2. Brother SE-1300. The Brother SE-1300 is a feature-rich combination sewing and embroidery machine that stands out as one of the most versatile options on the market. With its expansive 5x7-inch embroidery field, this machine caters to larger projects while maintaining precise stitching quality. It boasts 138 built-in embroidery designs, 240 sewing stitches, and advanced editing capabilities accessible via its vibrant color LCD touchscreen. What sets the SE-1300 apart is its seamless integration of sewing and embroidery functionalities. Switching between modes is effortless thanks to its intuitive interface and automatic settings adjustments. The machine also includes an automatic needle threader, thread cutter, adjustable thread tension system, and quick-set bobbin, features that simplify operation while enhancing accuracy. The SE-1300's versatility extends beyond basic tasks. It handles everything from delicate fabrics like chiffon to heavier materials like canvas with ease. Its ability to customize stitch width and length adds another layer of creative flexibility for intricate designs or decorative stitching. While slightly more expensive than other models on this list, the SE-1300 justifies its price with its robust feature set and reliable performance. The only potential downside is that beginners might find its extensive options overwhelming at first. However, with some practice and guidance from the included manual or online tutorials, even novices can master this machine's capabilities. In conclusion, the Brother SE-1300 is perfect for hobbyists or small business owners who require both sewing and embroidery functionalities in one high-performance machine. Its large workspace, advanced features, and exceptional versatility make it a top-tier choice for those serious about their craft. 1. Janome MemoryCraft 400E. The Janome MemoryCraft 400E takes the top spot as a professional-grade yet affordable embroidery machine designed specifically for dedicated embroiderers. With an impressive 7x8-inch embroidery field, the largest on this list, it's perfect for tackling large-scale projects like quilt panels or intricate home decor pieces without rehooping. This powerhouse includes 160 built-in designs and 6 fonts while supporting USB imports for custom creations. Its intuitive LCD touchscreen allows users to edit designs directly on screen by resizing, rotating, or adjusting thread colors with ease. The advanced editing tools make it simple to achieve professional-level results without additional software. One of the standout features of the MemoryCraft 400E is its speed. It can stitch up to 860 stitches per minute while maintaining impeccable accuracy. This efficiency makes it ideal for high-volume work or time-sensitive projects. The automatic thread cutter and advanced needle threading system further enhance convenience during operation. While this machine focuses solely on embroidery, lacking sewing capabilities, it excels in delivering consistent results across various fabric types. Its sturdy construction ensures durability even with frequent use, making it suitable for home-based businesses or avid crafters aiming for professional quality output. In summary, the Janome MemoryCraft 400E offers unparalleled performance at an accessible price point compared to commercial-grade machines. For anyone serious about their craft or running an embroidery-focused business from home, this model provides exceptional value without compromising quality or functionality. Final thought. And there you have it, the 7 best affordable embroidery machines ranked. From beginner-friendly options like the Brother PE535 to professional-grade picks like the Janome MemoryCraft 400E, there's something here for everyone at every skill level. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews that help you make informed buying decisions.